Hi, it's Brian Comerford from Classroom Guidance here again. This time we're going to just run through very quickly how you would apply for a PLC course. Now I've picked Ormond College, it's my local college. I just Googled Ormond College and up came their website. Then I clicked on their apply online and then I just apply online button there. I pick what department I'm interested in, that's business and IT, and I chose the course software app development. And then it auto-filled the rest of my details. I had to tell them I was Irish, and that's pretty much it. And a PPS number, so that has to be correct, otherwise you can't proceed. And your date of birth, of course, and you have to be over 16. And when that's all done, you go to next. And then they're just looking for your address and your details. And again, most of this is auto-filling. And that will happen for the majority of you, but if it doesn't, you just fill in the details. And you pick your county and your country and you proceed. That's it. And then you confirm and submit, accept terms and conditions, of course. Don't forget that. Submit form, and then very quickly you get a download of a letter detailing for you what are the next stages, and it's all detailed in the letter there, and you can go back out and just exit and it's done. And then I got a text message to say they had received it and they'll be in touch very soon. So it's very, very simple to apply for a PLC course. It takes about 5 minutes, and I think you should apply to 3 or 4 PLC courses. Not just in case, but maybe it's a better idea for where you're at the moment. Okay, thank you.